Hi, everybody. Spencer Campbell here with another tutorial. We're going to talk about Zoom today. About 3 weeks ago, Zoom lifted the 40-minute time limit for meetings and made it full access for basically all of the United States, and now is opening that up to other countries and stuff like that. So this video is going to show you how to sign up, install, and get started with Zoom digital conferencing, most specifically for education and educators. So when you go to Zoom, I'm on the Zoom blog. You can sign up for free here. I'm actually going to use my school email address to sign up. And there's going to be an email that's sent to my inbox, basically to sign up. So what I'm going to do here is, let's see, let you guys look here and go to my inbox, which have lots of things in it. So I'll put that down here, and we're just gonna minimize like I tried to do, but went maximum. So we're gonna activate our account. We're gonna go through, we're gonna edit some of our information. Obviously they suggest one, and usually the password I usually work. I have a different variety, but we're gonna log in there. I'm gonna save that password here. I'm not gonna invite any people at this point. We're gonna skip this step. And you're ready to go. I mean, that literally took 30 seconds and you're ready to go on Zoom to sign up through your school email, your personal email, whatever you want to do at this time. So I'm actually going to start a meeting now. And like most kind of conferencing tools, it's going to open your microphone and your computer settings and different things like that. So we're going to open zoom.us, downloads, okay. It's going to basically launch a app. In the background, we're going to join with computer audio here. You can just do test speaker and microphone. So I'm going to turn up my volume again here. Yep, I heard something. Okay, it should be moving right there. You can see that it's picking up audio. Okay, it should be moving right there. You can see that it's picking up audio. So we're going to join with computer audio right here. And basically, this is where we're at, right? So the link that I could, or if I wanted to send out to people, is here, zoom.us /J / all that stuff. I can copy that. I can invite other people. I can also invite people here. I can invite through Gmail. I can copy the URL. And this is where, if you're an educator, this is where you would probably post it into Canvas, Google Classroom, learning management software, or send it in an email for parents, students, families to click on and join the meeting. And so I'm not actually going to invite anybody else. We're going to start video. And there I am. Hi. Hey. Wow, that's really big and bright and clear and beautiful and all that stuff. I can mute myself here by clicking on the mute button. Obviously, if I click that, I'm going to unmute myself. There's some other options here about selecting. Maybe we have a third-party microphone, right? A USB mic that we want to plug in and use there. We can test the microphone again. We can switch to phone audio. We can also do computer audio if we wanted to. We can switch if we want to do a virtual background. It will, right here, you notice I have a green screen behind me. I have a green screen, virtual background. So we're going to click on one, hopefully. And then we would add that and that would go in the background. I'm not going to do that at a time. I'll do another video behind, but I haven't uploaded any, so you can download them from the internet and put them behind you. Anyway, so basically it gives you the floating head, right, where I'm wearing something that's blue, so it might not look very good. But anyway, there's also information here about how to share your screen. If I wanted to do that, again, I could click here, and share the screen is also here, and it would show everything that I'm looking at. The nice thing about this is you can pull in an iPhone, iPad via cable. We can do AirPlay. We can do a whiteboard. So if I want to do some math and different things like that, it's a little bit easier to write with, it's a little bit easier to write on a whiteboard than it is with just the MacBook Pro mouse, or I could do my desktop. I can pull in other pieces here. So all of my windows would be here, right? I can also share the computer audio. So if I'm showing my students or the people that we're conferencing with a video, they could hear the audio as well. I can share files, different things like that up here. You can see that. It'll go to my desktop and or my downloaded files, and I can share a file there. Right? We also have a chat over here. Everyone on the chat would see this, very similar to Google Meet. I can also invite people straight from here. If you click on chat, it'll just disappear. I can also record the meeting, right? So if I record the meeting, you'll notice that up in the top left-hand corner, right up here, I can actually pause that, stop that. If I pause it, it'll just pause recording for a second. Maybe I step away and then I come back and then we go again. The great thing about the recording tool is it will, you can send that out to later. So if students or parents or other colleagues cannot get a hold of you or are not able to go to this meeting and during this time, you can record it and you can send that to them. Again, you can put in little emojis or different things like that, right? So I'm actually going to end this recording. I'm going to stop here. It'll be converted to an MP4, which is then downloaded to your computer that then you could upload to a Google Classroom, a Canvas, an LMS, a Google Drive, a link that you wanted to email out to participants or a group of people. Very, very easy to use Zoom. It's just another tool. It's not the end-all be-all tool. Right now, as far as education is concerned, educators are using whatever tools they can to video conference with students and classes and parents and different groups of people, teachers, PLCs, and different things like that. So I'm going to end this meeting here, and I'm going to end the meeting for all. And what you'll notice is that will be done. It's going to access my computer, and you'll see right here on my screen that it's converting and it goes to its own folder. So I'm going to save it there. And it's right here. If I wanted to pull it, you can actually see a little picture of me there, which we're not going to pull back up again. And we'll deal with that later. But at this point, that is how easy it is to download Zoom, get in a meeting, invite people. That took less than 6-7 minutes, and the actual install was only 30 seconds.